Today we are making bhurjee, but not with eggs. Say goodbye to your typical anda bhurjee and let's all say hello tempeh. Because we are going to take your regular anda bhurjee and style it up with tempeh. I am a great fan of all-day breakfast. Knowing me, I may also have it as a late-night snack. But this dish, bang on, fits the charts. Into a cast iron, in goes about 5 to 10 mils of regular cooking oil, 25 grams of regular ghee, and infuse it right with 2 red onions finely chopped up, ginger, about 3 green chillies. As we allow the onions, the ginger and the chilies to saute, it's time to create an emulsion. And so out here I've got about 50 grams of regular yogurt. Into that I'm going to put a teaspoon of red chilli powder, about half a teaspoon of some turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon Asafoetida. Emulsify all this and dunk it right into the pan. Now out here, when you get that whiff of spice hitting your nostrils, it's time to take tempeh, and I've taken a already marinated blend that is the Tawa Masala. So have it minced up, simple, chop it up really fine and put that in. Morning breakfast, or rather all-day breakfast like I like to call it, it's all about that burst of protein. But did you really know tempeh is 0 cholesterol? What fun thing, right? So as you allow this to mix, take some regular water, a yellow bell pepper, dice it up and throw it in. A red pepper, dice it up and throw it in. And finally, 2 tomatoes, diced, going in. A quick toss, switch off the flame. Such a simple creation. And you want to know the best part? And I'm keep harping about my late night snack, because all I do is lather this in between 2 slices of bread, grill it, sit in front of the telly and enjoy.